Hello children, welcome back, and a very small video was actually made by me due to some technical issues. I had to stop the video, and now I'll be continuing the same video, that is the structure of contractile proteins. So as I told you already that actin is a protein which is made up of which is actually a polymer and is made up of two F-actin chains, and these two F-actin chains, or you can also call them as polymers, are helically wound to each other. Okay, now each F-actin chain has small G actins, which are the monomers, which are actually the monomers for F-actin. So F-actin is a polymer, and G-actins are the monomers for these F-actins. Right? This was done in the previous video. Now actins contain two other proteins. Okay, they are tropomyosin and troponin. Now you see children, the brown color thread like structure, you see the brown color thread like structure is the another protein, and the name of this protein is called tropomyosin. And there are these three small beads in the interval of few centimeters, you see, or you can say very small distance, it could be millimeters. There are three small beads at particular interval, थोड़ी थोड़ी दूरी पे ये तीन small beads हैं देखो, these are called troponin. So these are also proteins, a kind of protein. So children, actin is all over. हम actin को वैसे ही बोलते हैं. What is actin? Actin is a protein. Now actin is actually a collection of many kinds of protein, है ना. एक्टिन जो है वो कैसे बना है, बहुत सारे प्रोटीन्स मिलकर एक एक्टिन प्रोटीन बना है. राइट, तो एक्टिन प्रोटीन को बनाने के लिए कौन कौन से प्रोटीन यूज हुए हैं. वी हैव यूज्ड एफ एक्टिन, टू चेन्स ऑफ एफ एक्टिन. We have used one chain of tropomyosin, and we have also used few troponins which are placed at a particular interval, you see. Right, this is what is the structure of actin. So this is about the actin structure. Okay children, this is how actin looks like, and this figure is given in your NCERT also. Now let me show you here children, this is the sarcomere. This is the sarcomere, and the purple bead like structure are the actins, you see. These purple bead like structure are the actins. Okay, and the green structure is the myosin. The green structure is the myosin, and the purple structures are the actins, right? Okay, and each actin, you see, has in the center there is a Z line, because here also actin is continuing, here also actin is continuing. Now in between this actin there is Z line. Similarly here also actin is there, here also actin is there, and in between there is a Z line. Right, and this green structure is myosin. The center of the green structure or the myosin has a line called the M line, and the area between the two Z lines is called the sarcomere. So this was already done with you in the previous videos. Right, so this is about the actin structure. Now children, let me show you another thing. Two filaments of tropomyosin run along the grooves of F-actin double helix. Now you see, this tropomyosin is running all around, and it is bounding out through the grooves. Grooves यानी गड्ढे, ठीक है. It is bounding around the grooves of the F-actin through the double helix. Then troponin has three subunits. I told you there are three proteins which are all together. These are three subunits of troponins at a particular interval, located at regular intervals on the tropomyosin. And one more thing children, troponin is located on tropomyosin. So troponin is located on tropomyosin. So this is all about the structure of actin. In the resting state, a subunit of troponin, this is one subunit of troponin, this is another subunit of troponin. So when the muscle is in a resting stage, the subunit of troponin makes the binding site for the myosin on the actin. Children, this is very important, this line, because I will explain you this line now also, but we will do this in elaborate in the next video. Okay? Here, what does this sentence mean? जब एक मसल रेस्टिंग स्टेट पे है, जब एक मसल कॉन्ट्रैक्शन नहीं कर रही है, तो ये जो ट्रोपोनिन है, ये इसके ऊपर एक मास्क चढ़ा हुआ है, इसके ऊपर एक मास्क चढ़ा हुआ है, और ये मास्क हटेगा तो मायोसिन इसके ऊपर आकर अटैच होगा। और मास्क कब हटेगा और मायोसिन कब आके अटैच होगा? जब मसल को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करना होगा। अंडरस्टैंड? तो जब मसल रेस्टिंग स्टेज पे है तो मास्क चढ़ा हुआ है, और क्योंकि मास्क चढ़ा हुआ है तो मायोसिन इसके साथ आके अटैच नहीं हो सकता। लेकिन जब कॉन्ट्रैक्शन करनी है तो सबसे पहले मास्क हटाना होगा, और मास्क हटते ही मायोसिन जो है इस ट्रोपोनिन के साथ आके अटैच हो जाएगा, बाइंड हो जाएगा। सो ये वाला पोर्शन हम फिर से करेंगे जब हम कॉन्ट्रैक्शन पढ़ेंगे। So now I hope you are clear with the structure of actin filament.